Hi guys, how's it going? My name is Julyo. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I want to talk about why live music is still unique in 2024. In the recent years, we have seen a big comeback of live music and live experiences. This is because both the old and new crowd, whatever their demographic is looking for the human connection that you can only find when you go to see your favorite artist performing live. I have recently attended two different types of experiences, very different. One was going to Taylor Swift Era Tour gig in Dublin. She has performed 3 packed nights at the Aviva Stadium for a massive crowd, and the show was just more than a band performing live. She had dancers, a massive screen with visuals, even props with a fake cabin in the woods when she was performing one of her most famous songs. And she had songs spanning more than a decade of career, which goes from pop songs to more country flavors. And her crowd was really passionate about her music, about her being the leader of the show and bringing energy for 3 hours in a row with no breaks. So on one side, the Taylor's concert was more than an entertainment show than just a concert. The second type of experience that I got was a few days later going to check Stevie Nicks at the Three Arena. The Three Arena in Dublin is a smaller venue compared to the Aviva Stadium, but still is good enough to experience a legacy historical artist like Stevie Nicks, which for those of you that don't know, she was part of Fleetwood Mac. The Stevie Nicks concert was very different from the Taylor Swift show. This is because Stevie was just bringing her persona live and interacting with the audience, sharing stories from her life, memories, opinions, and playing some of her top hits with her favorite session players, which were also musicians that she had been playing with for more than 10 years. Both the Taylor Swift concert and the Stevie Nicks concert are big reminders of one very important thing: human interaction. Human interaction is what it's all about when it comes down to live music performances. And it's something that not even artificial intelligence will be able to replace, at least for the next 5 or 6 years. And this is an extremely important point, especially considering that right now technology is a part of our lives. We use technology in everything that we do. We don't have to be content creators, we don't have to be musicians or artists to understand the importance of technology in our lives. Look at social media, look at platforms like Spotify. They completely changed the way we discover music and we experience music. Even so, live music is here to stay. And one very important thing, which is also relevant to content creators and musicians, live music reminds us of the importance to build a connection with the audience. And if we are the audience, it reminds us of how important is music in our personality, in building our identity. Because ultimately, whatever music you listen to is a reflection of your lifestyle, of who you are. Giving importance to your favorite artist and showing support by showing at gigs is a very important building block in the career of any artist, of any content creator, any musician. It's something that cannot be underestimated. It's something that it will be, and forever probably, the building block of any entertainment industry, of any content creation industry. We can, of course, debate that creating content is for sure cheaper than what it used to be. A lot of artists are making great songs on their laptops. They're recording hits in their bedrooms. But ultimately, you need to get out, go on the road, and play in front of those people that maybe they're just waiting for your song in order to elevate their day. Maybe they need a new soundtrack for their lives. And you are right there. The only thing that you need is to build that connection, that bridge that can only be done by hitting the road and playing those gigs. So to summarize, the key factor to me for 2024 when it comes down to live music is to go live and create that unique interaction, no matter if you are an audience member, if you are an artist. just by showing up at the gig or putting together an event, you are supporting your local community. You are supporting the people that you love. Because music ultimately is about bringing people together, is about sharing an experience, going live and being naked, being yourself, having that moment, that those hours of freedom where you don't have to think too much, you don't have to put any blocks to your expression, to yourself, and just let the music do the talk. And if you really are into music, if you really love artists, singers, songwriters, for sure, by going and showing support, buying those tickets, or simply just going to a festival, you are already providing an amazing support to the music scene. Please drop a comment. Let me know your opinions, let me know if you have any questions, and feel free to check my other videos. I talk a little bit about cigars, whiskey, travel, anything which is part of my lifestyle. And from time to time, I'll drop videos like this, hopefully to giving tips to people that are making music like myself, or simply for music lovers. Ciao!